The school kids. SZ. Learn with fun. Hello kids, how are you? Today you will learn letters, sounds with pictures. Letter A and the sound is A. Ant. Apple. Letter B and the sound is B. Beer. Ball. Letter C and the sound is castle. Crayon. Cat. Letter D and the sound is D. Dog. Drum. Donut. Letter E and the sound is earth. Elephant. Egg. Letter F and the sound is fish. Fire. Flower. Letter G and the sound is grapes. Glasses. Giraffe. Letter H and the sound is helicopter. Hat. Hamburger. Letter I and the sound is E. Ice cream. Iceland. Igloo. Letter J and the sound is jam. Jigsaw. Jelly. Letter K and the sound is kite. Kettle. Koala. Letter L and the sound is lighthouse. Lemon. Lollipop. Letter M and the sound is mirror. Mouse. Mushroom. Letter N and the sound is nail. Nest. Necklace. Letter O and the sound is octopus. Oyster. Owl. Letter P and the sound is pizza. Panda. Polar bear. Letter Q and the sound is queen. Quillet. Quack. Letter R and the sound is robot. Radio. Rainbow. Letter S and the sound is snake. Shell. Shark. Letter T and the sound is teddy bear. Tree. Trophy. Letter U and the sound is umbrella. UFO. Unicorn. Letter V and the sound is violin. Vase. Vampire. Letter W and the sound is watch. Wolf. Whale. Letter X and the sound is X. X-ray, X-ray fish, xylophone. Y and the sound is George, yogurt, yo-yo. Letter Z and the sound is zipper, zero, zebra. Thanks for reading. Keep on practicing. Thanks for watching video. Like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.